Alright, hello, hello. Let's hope my microphone is better today. It's painful to fix it. I hope I fixed it. Okay. I have actually not too much idea what was broken. I just reconfigured a couple of things, changed one thing, but I doubt that this was it. But yeah. Thank you for verifying, Rainbow. Yeah, so then today is the stream back from vacation. I want to start off slow today, mostly doing like some smaller stuff, getting back into the flow of working on Onyx. Because yeah, I was basically 2 weeks not. Sorry. But have a nice dinner. But you can mute me. Then you can eat in peace. But welcome. Nonetheless. Alright, so yeah, the terrain panel, I want to change that to be actually, yeah, as the name suggests, a panel. Eat in peace in home office. Impossible. I mean, I'm glad you are here, but you can turn off the stream if you want to eat in peace. Alright. So yeah, I'm actually not sure where we left off. I know that we did the terrain. We did the terrain brush preview and we did the terrain brush when we... Did we do it when we click or all the time? I can't remember anymore. Where we put out the information where we hit the terrain. Okay, and we have a size mismatch with a compute shader. Cool. Not quite sure where that is coming from. Is it maybe that... Oh, I think that's how it should be, right? Oh wait, maybe it's did I wanted to split it and then I didn't split it or something like that? The shader? Ray trace terrain shader. Okay, we have a Vec2, a U64, U64. Yeah, that looks off, right? It buffer address. Why did I do that? Oh, because of that, but what else do we... Octree buffer address. Because we do the octree already in here? No, we don't. Yeah, okay, so then that was the intent, right? To do this. To split that. Do we even need the brush size? No. So I guess we could do it like that. Terrain, like ray trace terrain push constant is that, and nothing of that sort. Oh, this was not what I wanted. Well, whatever. So I think that should work again. Yeah, okay. Perfect. We still do some outputs here, which I don't really care for now. Alright, so we do that, and we do that only if... Do we only do it when we... Nah, let's do it for now, all the time. Yeah, exactly, we wanted to do it on demand, right? Exactly, because we have a has hit here that we probably... Yeah. So we have this. Find terrain chunk. And that is find ray traced octree node. I mean, we can name it explicitly. Let's do it. Find ray traced terrain, or like octree node. Find terrain. Okay, so we do that. And basically shader read, shader indirect. Indirect read, yeah, right, yeah. Find so we don't need that. Don't think we need the view const position. Yeah, we just need the octree. Root half extends. Or the hit position as well, right? Yeah. Okay. That comes at the bottom. Don't I need the brush size here? Oh yeah, I do. But for some reason I don't have it here. Not sure if I need anything else, but that looks good. Now we have an indirect dispatch and an update request buffer. Not quite sure what do we write here. Okay, I mean, do we need to? Do we need to do that? Probably not. Probably just the fact that we have hit should already be good enough, right? Because that means we should find a node, I think. So we probably don't need that. Can just do that. I think that's fair. Now we can take that, put that here. Max steps, brush size, and then the hit buffer. And the update request. Which I'm not sure, that could probably be a temp. I mean, probably both could be temp. Yeah, okay, it already has a command above anyways. For that. Which is something we don't support currently. But yeah, that is, god damn it, what I wanted. Alright. Where is everything on my second monitor? Okay. Looks a little bit better. Alright, so we do that. We need to allocate that one. I guess we can do that. Terrain update request. What do we write into that? Morton depth offset. So it's a U in 64 and 2 U in 32s. Okay. Storage that, right, the berm, right. Yeah, that. Not sure we don't need that necessarily. But what I want to do is add a new dispatch conditioner. Const buffer handle buff like conditioner. Maybe we do it like that for now. Because that's not what I'm trying to do. The conditioner one is an extension in Vulkan. Render conditioner Vulkan. So it is a buffer basically that has U in 32 in it, which defines if the next dispatch or render command is executed or not. Here, conditional rendering. So it's not a C++ thing, it's a Vulkan thing. So I can't really wrap it in an optional, right? Because that's not the thing I want to do. It's exactly this thing here, where you can do begin conditional rendering and then you do that. Oh, but it works like that, okay. So it's actually not how I imagined it to be. Yes, exactly. No, please don't say that. I hope not. Actually, then let's do an RAII maybe. Struct conditioner rendering. Conditioner render. Yeah, let's do that. Yes. But aren't you using Vulkan as well, or did you change during my time on vacation again? Don't think so. I don't think so. Command buffer. I don't have a CPP for that, right? Kinda sucks. Do Do I want to add one? Probably. Or do I need one? Maybe I don't. Friend struct, not struct friend. Damn. Alright, you're excused. Command buffer begin conditioner rendering. Do I need to do that? Yeah, let's call it begin conditioner rendering. I'm wondering that it's smart to do it like that, because I think with that I'm kind of locking myself into Vulkan, because I don't think you can do the same with DirectX. So maybe that's not the smartest thing that I am doing here. But then again, I don't think I want to support anything else than Vulkan. That is equals 0 equals 0. And command buffer here. Yeah, I can feel you. Begin conditioner rendering. Can I call it like that, or do I need to do I need to get it? Or we will find out, I guess. Command buffer. Oh, but I need more info for that, right? I need conditioner rendering info, so the buffer and the offset, yeah. Handle. All right. Go to... Nah, that's not what I wanted. That's command buffer dot. Here, conditioner buffer offset. Well, 15 technically. Not bad. that bad. Okay, and then we want this. All right. Get. Oh, we need to cast it to one of our beautiful buffers. Where do I do that already? Ah, here. Get handle. And then the offset is our offset. And then we do conditional rendering info. Really, I need to pass it as a... That is something I will never quite understand, but fine. And then here vk command and conditional rendering. And then that is nice because what we can do now is go here and where conditioner render. And then the offset is offset of, well actually, yeah, size of vector 332. Right, because the hit buffer it has, yeah. And then this is basically our conditioner block. And that should only execute now if we actually hit. Why don't you template the math vector types? They are? Or what do you mean? I mean, they are? Oh god, what did I press? No. Man, I'm getting confused with the hotkeys between my office workstation and private one. Now I pressed something that killed my Visual Studio again. But I mean, where was it? The vector 3. I'm blind. Oh, here. It is templated. It's just that I don't want to write out the template, so I did some usings. So you can do it templated if you want to. And there are some places where I accept the vector 3 template. Because I don't want to necessarily... Why? I'm curious about that. Why would that be? Okay. Well, so far it worked without any problems, but... Not saying that it's perfect, but so far... And I didn't want to type out the full template all the time. That felt kinda... stupid. So that's why I did those usings. So did we set everything? We set this one, we set that. Oh, where that is the update. Oh. Update regress bar for brush size. And then we do this and we dispatch this. And that should... famous last words work, right? Might as well kill my GPU again. Can't wait for that. Alright, what is that? STD exception. Okay, but where do I need to look for the example? Okay, that's the S. Oh, you're using FMT and not the STD one? Okay. Yeah. Light rise and exception category type. Yeah, but that's not the same unless I'm blind, right? Isn't that something different? But maybe I'm not getting the context. What that has to do with my usings. No, don't get that. I mean, I get your code, but I don't know why that would be linked to my usings. On MSVC format, light write an exception triggers invalid template chain. Okay. So this or what? Okay. Weird. I mean, mine works fine on MSVC so far, so I'm not quite sure where the difference is, but yeah, maybe. Maybe it's MSVC telling you shouldn't use STD exception. Not just kidding. No, not sure. I don't know. So far I didn't have any problems. But it can always happen. So did that compile or not? No, it didn't. Oh, is it? Ah, it's unresolved external symbol. Okay. So I guess that doesn't work. Command buffer. It was Clang complaining about not using STD exception. Okay. So I guess it's not like that, right? And I assume it doesn't exist yet without the extension. So I need to get it and then I can use it. Vulkan.h. Oh, I mean, okay, let's do ext. I mean, I could remove it since I'm not storing any data that could be used by RTTI. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, who said that I need RTTI for STD any? Was someone, was it Capuchman or was it maybe you as well? But it doesn't say so in the documentation, so I'm not sure if it actually really needs it. Or why does it not say it in the documentation? I mean, it kinda makes sense because it gets the type ID, right? And I guess in that one it says that it's RTTI. Although it doesn't say as well. But does it need? I would have assumed that it says that in the documentation, but maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it just assumes that it's a given. But I thought I turned off RTTI. Isn't there a compile definition for that? Where was that? Was that in C++ or was that in Linker? Not quite sure. Can you open MSV CSTL any header? What do you mean? I mean, probably, yes. Here, source location, I guess. I wanted to do... Not sure. Ah, you mean that one? Yeah, where do I include that? Can I open it like that? Oh yeah, I can. RTTI. I mean, that doesn't mean that it uses it, but... Yeah. Not so nice, maybe. I mean, technically, I don't think I use STD any for a lot of things. Is it just STD any, or do I have... So I use it here, which technically I don't need to have it as an STD any. I guess I could get rid of it if I really want to. Maybe it gets on the list of to-dos. But then actually maybe it's not such a big deal anyways for this one thing to have it. Oh well, future me will think about that. But actually I'll write that down. Oh yeah, actually I can kind of show that anyways. So what I did in like my off time is write a little bit of like a smaller roadmap of what I want to tackle. So we are currently here and we are still stuck basically on that. The other one, okay, oh, okay, that works. So those are done already. So that's like the only thing that's missing. I mean, only thing, it's quite a lot. And then like, yeah, I planned up to, I would say up to here. 0.8 is already very vague. Okay, I mean, that's interesting. But then again, I don't think I need STD any. But yeah. So I mean, yeah, that is, even 0.7 is not fully planned. I would say up until this, like those two next versions are kind of fully planned already, or like what I want to do. All right. So I need to get those find usages. So we do that probably as well from pfn vk command begin conditional rendering. Probably like that. Hey, well, once 0.4 is out, it will go a lot quicker again. 0.4 is kind of a chunk, not gonna lie, just because the terrain is such a big thing. But I think like, yeah, the terrain is like the biggest feature that I will do for a longer time, just because it has so many areas it touches, right? But like, we need an editor for it. We need it to be able to regenerate when the camera moves, which we don't really have yet. But yeah. I mean, maybe if you're quick, maybe. 9 months is not that long. Alright, so we did that. Let's actually put a breakpoint there if we get that. Graphics API. Nine months ago I moved to Barcelona, or was it 7? I mean, I don't exactly know, but I think to remember that you said it like before summer. But I'm not sure anymore. Time flies. Oh yeah. Oh, when was that actually? Yeah. I think I was in like, was it in April? Or something like that? I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. So that thing was in April. And I kind of remember that. Okay, do I need to enable this? Let's close that. Do I need to enable the extension? This extension, blah blah blah. All right. Or maybe I just need to do that, right? Is it a device extension? Probably, right? It's probably here. Push back. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. So that works. And now we have a fail to compile shader. Perfect. One thing I want to do is... Do we want to have our fallback? For now, no, but actually what I want to do is... basically that, because we don't want this to happen. That we call this on something that's not valid. Nine months, damn. Why do you need to change your passport though? Or do you just need a new one? Because I mean, you are not a Spanish citizen, right? So I mean, not like... But did you get... Because you just have a work visa, right? And not like a citizenship. I thought there's like some time that you need. Like 5 years or something like that. So I couldn't apply for citizenship. Oh, okay. But... Okay. I mean, I had the green NIE card, but that's the different thing. But maybe that changed. I don't know. Okay. I mean, maybe I could have done that. I don't know. But yeah, I had like the green card, whatever. That's where. Oh yeah, the shader didn't compare, so that's what we wanted to look at. Yeah, I had that I had as well, but the passport is a little bit different, but again, maybe not. I didn't really care too much about the passport. I thought for the passport you really need to be a citizen, and that's different from this green card. But maybe not. Not an expert on that. Here we have it. Can't read from right, only object U constants. What did I do? Word octree. Oh, wait. Okay, so that's that. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Nodes, no such field. Where is... Ah, okay, yeah, that's a follow-up. Okay, that's a follow-up. Do we have another word octree here? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean, okay. I mean, again, not an expert on any of that, so... damn it. What? Initializer 45. We include the word octree here. Yeah, we do. What? What exactly are you trying to tell me? Initializer can't read from write-only object. Not quite sure what it wants to tell me. Oh wait, no, that should work. Oh wait, that's a read only. That's a write only. Or, not really. So I think that was the issue. Ah, okay. Kinda need it for work for USA. Are you going there often? Okay, god damn it, what is the error? Some misalignment with the buffer size again? Yeah, okay. 040. Is it that we have, where is it? Actually, I'm not doing the UI now. I'm actually working on the shaders. Okay, cool. Where to actually? I'm curious if you can say that. Like we're in the US East or West Coast. 40 alignment. I mean, probably we need to do an F32 heading of 3. And then here probably as well. Can I do a float heading of 3 here? Does that work? Oh, okay. Oh, I see, cool. Okay, there is another validation error. The buffer was created with transfer, blah, 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 blah. Must be, oh, okay. We need a new buffer bit, REC. Buffer usage. conditioner. $64. No, that's not it. That's it. Conditioner. VK conditioner. Buffer usage. Is there another one that's not X'd? Probably not, right? I mean, it's fine. Do I need to do anything special? So I guess I just do that, right? That should fix it. I mean, who can do that? Got an old class schoolmate that moved as well to America, and he said like prices there are crazy for everything. I mean, they earn a lot more money as well, but you kind of need that. I mean, if you're in a good paying job, you earn way more, but yeah. Still a couple of... Oh, I didn't create it, right? With the right flag. Terrain. So this one, do that, and buffer usage conditioner. So now we should be able to do it. Or not. Buffer has been... VK buffer usage a bit. Did I use the wrong one? Maybe. Where did I put that? Here? What's the difference between VK buffer conditioner and... What's between that and the two? What's the difference? I love it that it always has like 70 different versions, Vulkan. Yeah, that's kinda insane, yeah. But what's the can you please tell me what the difference is? And why is there a second one? Alright, comes on the to-do list to find out. But It uses here as well the normal one. Okay, so that was the problem. Then this is... I mean, it still is exactly the same thing, right? I mean, that kind of makes sense. But then again, it doesn't really make sense. Why would you not put that there? Shouldn't you? Wait. Oh, is it because we go... No, we don't. Am I stupid? M usage flags. Oh, we go oh no. Well, that is an unfortunate thing. That should be 8. Now we need to subtract 2 from here. And then I'm not even sure. Do I even use that? So at that point, why do I even have it? Wait, it was because I can then have a different size here? But does it really matter? I don't think so. Let's do that. Let's get rid of that. CPU access, U8, U8. And that is exactly the same size. Debug name. Whatever, let's do it then. It doesn't, since if I remember, operating system device interface is responsible for base. Oh, okay. I see. Oh, that was... Why did I name them M underscore here? That's not very consistent with anything else I do, but whatever. Not gonna take that into account now. Alright, so that works now. And now I think we don't have any errors anymore. Perfect. Now the question is, do we actually execute this? Do we add debug print here? Yeah, we do. So let's go here, debug print, perfect. Oh, we don't need that, right? I think that was garbage left over from when we wanted to debug print stuff, which we don't need anymore. So I think we can actually remove that from here. Print. Perfect. Now we put it here and we put it here. Found octree node. L probably. Man, I would love some snacks as well. Maybe I will do some actual, like we have popcorn. Maybe I will do that later after the stream. Do we actually... Oh, we do output something here. Okay, let's go. That looks good. Not quite sure why it outputs it as a hex, but alright, I guess. Why is it an hex though? Why is it hex? Oh my god. Okay. This is very something I want to look at, maybe that I use slang sooner than later, but I don't know. UL, or maybe it's just UL and not ULL. Oh, and you can do that. Okay. Or it's LU, unsigned long as decimal LU. UL and LX are printed in hex. Okay. I see. Good to know. So that should be the normal value then. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So that works. So let's get rid of that. Let's do some tests where now for the terrain panel, we actually only do that when we left click. So that should help a little bit with the spam. Oh, okay. That actually kind of worked. Oh, that actually works. God damn it, that actually is amazing. Not gonna lie. So I guess if we go back and we do actually this. And we run that every frame again. Exactly. And then if I, god damn it, if I open render doc. And I do this and I capture. And I do this and I capture. I will see two different things right here. I will have a dispatch find terrain node, yes. And then here I won't. Why do I still execute that? Is it texture launch pipeline resource? No, where is it? Is it pipeline state? Oh, wait. Okay, so I guess it's not executing. So I guess it's not. Oh yeah, cool. Whatever the inverted is. Not quite sure. How would you even do that? Why do the conditional render? What do you mean with inverted? Inverted. Is that you can do stuff with it? Like why? So that the 0 is executing and the 1 is not, or what? I guess. Does it specify that here? Okay, yeah, that's basically what it does. Not sure why you would ever need that, but alright, good to know that you can do that if you want to. We might expose that, not sure. But yeah, let's do that. Alright. So that works. That's amazing. Didn't expect that to work right out of the box. So we do that, and we do that all the time. Then if as clicked left, we do that part. So now we will render all the time the sphere. But we only do the actual checking of which node we hit on demand. Yeah, so you can see it in the background that we print the nodes here. Perfect. I might call it a day for today with that though, and we will continue tomorrow. As I said, I want to slowly get into the streaming again. And that was already very good progress. So we basically have... Where is the list of stuff I wanted to do? No, I mean, it's still only that, but we have it a little bit improved now. So yeah, tomorrow we will do probably those two. I mean, although the remesh then kinda is for free. So we probably only do the collapse. Well, I mean, we will try to do all three, but let's see. Because yeah, now we write out. I write out the Morton stuff that I need to do. And with that, queue chunk updates. What is that? Is that even used? I don't think it is. Oh, that was the old version that I tried to do. Yeah, okay. So we don't need that. But we can probably repurpose that for this one that we dispatch. The question is, can this happen? It shouldn't be able to happen. Oh well, we will find out. Alright. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I will call it a day. I'm a bit tired. Did some busy stuff at work as well today. And yeah, as I said, good progress today with that splitting of the shader and the conditioner rendering. It's pretty nice. Is there? It's probably not, but DX12. So that's an AI answer, but let's see. I guess it doesn't exist, right? Oh well. If we really want to have that, I will probably just do it with the indirect dispatch on DirectX. So yeah. We need to change the shader then a little bit for that, but I think for now we don't really care. Alrighty, thank you very much. Well, it doesn't work like that because it's on the GPU fully and not on the GPU. Not on the CPU. It's fully on the GPU in buffers. But I mean, what I can do is put in here, basically an indirect dispatch. And then put that here and then do it like that. Yeah, unfortunately it doesn't work like that. What can I say? I don't think it works like that even in OpenGR. I have my doubts about that. Unless you read it back out of the buffer. But then you have a frame delay. Anyways, let's see. Can we raid someone? Now that we are back. Let's raid someone. Who can we raid? Let's raid TCAP. He's not just turned on his stream, it seems like. So yeah, thank you for joining me. We will be back tomorrow 7:30. There will probably be, well, let's talk about that tomorrow, but yeah, there will probably not be a stream on Sunday, but I will talk about that more on tomorrow's stream. Thank you. Have a nice rest of your evening. Let's rate TCAP. And yeah, thanks for dropping by. And we will get back to the usual streaming schedule again, now that I'm back from vacation. Have a great night. Where's the raid? Oh, here. Bye bye.
Hello, AK Elements. Probably gonna stop streaming soon, but thank you. Oh. I don't think the internet could handle nascent voice reveal. We don't need it. We just need his presence. Hello, had a good stream so far. Yeah, it's been kind of slow progress, but progress nonetheless. Removed a few to-dos. The to-do list went down, believe it or not. It went down a little bit.